So the day has come, we've finally sorted out this corner of the kitchen. It means, I'm going to flash forward, I can't see what you're seeing right now. This, I'm hoping, is our brand new kitchen table, and it looks incredible, except I don't know that it looks incredible because I haven't built it yet. So let's unbox this. It is an Nkuku FT1010 Fia dining table, large. So this one is 90 centimeters wide and 2 meters 20 centimeters long. It weighs 94 kilograms. The whole package that we're hauling here is 105 kilograms, and it heavy. Thing is, I have no idea how we're going to get this out of the box. It's so heavy. This is the ultimate unboxing. I don't think I've ever unboxed something so heavy. So it's a lot lighter, you know, in colour than I thought it would be. You thought it would look like this?
Yeah.
Well, I remember when we were in John Lewis and we saw it, and I took loads of photos and video of us just sitting at it, just to try and imagine what it would be like. And I even took a photo or a video of how it would look from this angle. So this is the angle now, and I had to imagine this angle was the same as the angle that we were looking at the table. But now look at it, it's just enormous. I don't know if there are any instructions. It's just a big block of wood, isn't it? I love the corner edges here. That's so nice. I think the reason it weighs so much is that it has these really solid metal legs. I think the next step is to lift this over to the side. Should we push it? I can't. I can't push it. Ready? There, do you think that's enough space if I fold this open? Okay. I mean, this could damage the floor as well as the table. Oh, well done. That doesn't sound good, does it? I'm hoping it's the cardboard. It doesn't sound good, does it? Yeah, it's the cardboard. Please God, it's cardboard. So now, have a look at the Nkuku legs. I should have called you Nkuku.
No.
That would have been a cool name. Right, come on, Nkuku, put the pigeon down. Right, so here's one leg. Can you find, right, it's treasure hunt. Oh, geez, these are really heavy. Are there any, like, bolts or instructions or anything? Joe, if I lift it up, quick, look underneath. The bolts are in?
Yeah.
Oh, so they're making that noise on the cardboard.
And it's punching through and going into our floor.
Into our floor. Okay, we'll tell you what, if we take the leg over here, maybe we could flip it upside down again. Maybe I was supposed to open it the other way up, but the box was folded this way.
Flip upside down, how the flip are we going to flip it back up?
Exactly. Oh. So unless we've not found the instructions yet, I know it's really simple, but I just need some confirmation. Underneath, we've got these bolts, and you undo them by hand. And they're lettered A, B, C and D, and then on the legs, the really super heavy metal legs, we've got corresponding letters. So how hard can this be? I'm gonna have to go to Screwfix to buy a wrench. Do you think we bent? Look, the other one's really bent, Joe.
I can't take this one off either.
Should we lay it on its back? We're gonna have to, aren't we? You sure about the bare feet? It is the hottest day of the year. Yeah. Right, so we've got, what have we got?
D and C.
So we're going to lay it down, fingers crossed, and a couple of them that they don't look straight. So I'm hoping it'll just go in straight first time, yes.
There we go.
And that's laid down, yeah?
Yeah.
Have you used it all on the bike?
Yeah.
I think there's an upside and a downside with these. Okay. Oh! Put the nuts on. I don't know.
Oh my god.
I've just put the nuts on before the legs. Yeah, put the legs on first before you put the bolts on. You look like those men who build things in like, a hole in the ground and they like digging with their hands. So now we've got both legs on, it's time to get it into its final position. This is a momentous moment. Here we go. Ready? You can flip it that way, yeah? Yeah, then we leave it. Job done. Okay, so if we lift it that way a bit. I don't go to the gym. So you're moving and I'm not. Yeah, thanks. It's the circle of life. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, sorry, I can't.
My fingers are under it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow. Look at that.
That's really easy.
Oh, it's not. It's a lot higher than I thought it would be. We didn't check the height, did we?
No, look. It's all
Yeah? Our food be closer to our mouths. Oh, I don't like seeing you disappear under a 100-kilogram object. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. This looks so much better than our last table. Our last table we absolutely loved. But our last table was 1 metre wide, and this is a crucial 10 centimetres narrower. It does look odd though, doesn't it? I suppose we're so used to seeing the other one.
Can I go now?
Yeah, you can go now. Thanks for your help.